तो टाटा मोटर की तरफ से आने वाली पंच ने अभी हाल ही में ऑफ रोडिंग चैलेंज कंप्लीट किया है, जो कि उसकी पेरेंटल कंपनी रेंज रोवर करती आई है अभी तक। तो टाटा मोटर की तरफ से आने वाले ये पंच सब पे भारी पड़ने वाला है। तो चलिए देखते हैं इसकी ऑफ रोडिंग कैपेबिलिटी और ये क्या 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 कर सकती है, कहीं पे अटकती है, क्या है।
The first 19 kilometers are a breeze. The hairpins are very short and steep. Here the car will need both power and agility. The tires are surprisingly gripping well even on wet surface. The climb is effortless till now. When we see how the altitude changes rapidly, so the surroundings change quickly and so does the whole weather. Then there's the vast skies of Meghma. It's one of the prettiest places en route to the top of Sandakphu. Here I always feel like I'm dancing in the clouds.
Wherever I go, but I was going beyond everything. It's beautiful.
यहाँ पे जब बारिश होता है वहाँ पे धूप खिला होता है, जब यहाँ होता है मतलब कुछ कह नहीं सकते।
Samantha, I take it you've crossed Garibaldi's checkpost.
गहरी बस से फिर ऊपर चढ़ेगा। ऊपर तो ये बोल्डर का रोड है।
So it's a very different vehicle. It's a petrol vehicle, it doesn't have low range, it's a two-wheel drive vehicle. But the good thing is that it's got a very good ground clearance. The angle of approach and departure are fairly good. So we are confident that even if
I think I'll be there in 2 hours. I'm in Kalbokri.
That's great. That's great.
As we drive along this road, we come across a holy lake. My grandfather always prayed at this holy lake. It has become a tradition for me. From DK Bhanjang to Sandakphu, that is the real climb. Here I knew I had to push through. If I didn't, I would fail.
फिर वो उसका लास्ट पॉइंट 0 पॉइंट में से तो ऊपर तक ऐसे रास्ता है, ऐसे सीधा ऐसे हो जाएगा।
everything that we thought that the vehicle will deliver on, all that came together.
It is a very great feeling. It is the most happiest moment.
Completing this challenge, thinking of my grandfather with him in the back of my mind, it was amazing.
Difficult time.
And so to do it and to achieve it, it's a memory created for a lifetime.